Hello everyone, welcome to video how I built a real estate portfolio without owning a single rental. Now most people think you need to be a landlord to build a real estate portfolio. Buy rentals, manage tenants, deal with late night emergencies. All of that. Believe me, I know, I have done it. I have actively owned a multi-million-dollar portfolio of single-family homes and commercial real estate. Yet today, I've invested across thousands of multifamily apartment units, self-storage portfolios, private equity deals, and oil and gas wells across the country. And I don't manage a thing. Give me to the end of this video and I'll show you how I did it so that you can do it too. I'm Dr. Jonathan Withanachi, aka Dr. Johnny Walker. I'm an endodontist turned fund manager and the proud founder of Walk of Wealth. When I started investing, I thought I had to do the work to build wealth. But that mindset kept me working long hours, buried in spreadsheets, and nowhere near free. Then I learned how the wealthy invest: passively, scalably, tax efficiently, and strategically. Most dentists are taught by real estate gurus. Buy a few single family rentals, let the tenants pay your mortgage, retire in 30 days, enjoy the profits. Here's the reality of that. One vacancy for a couple of months wipes out your profit for the year. One HVAC unit goes, it wipes out your profit for that year. The appreciation is unpredictable. Managing the property, even with the property manager, is still managing, because you have to manage the manager. That's called asset management. And if you don't do that, the manager won't manage it as efficiently as if he knows that nobody's watching him. I didn't want that. I wanted time freedom, not another job. That's why I didn't continue going down the landlord path. My first deal was a multifamily syndication in Texas. I invested $100,000. I got paid monthly cash flow. I received a $70,000 paper loss in year one due to depreciation. I didn't lose it. It was a tax write-off. I didn't do anything but vet the sponsor, read the PPM, and wire the funds. There was no property management, no stress. That deal gave me more clarity than any stock or rental that I ever bought or invested in. Once I saw how it worked, I repeated the process over and over to the tune of 30 plus times. Some examples: multifamily units across prime markets such as Dallas, Phoenix, Houston, and northern New Jersey. A 13 property self-storage portfolio in central Iowa. A triple net dental real estate portfolio located nationwide. Oil and gas wells in Colorado and North Dakota. Private equity deal investing in infrastructure. All through syndications and private funds. Every single one of those investments that I made are all passive. I built a portfolio diversified across multiple markets and asset classes without owning a single rental property. Most dentists are high earners with zero time. We don't want a second job. We already have a great career. We want our money to work harder so that we can work smarter or less. Passive investing allows you to, number one, generate cash flow. Number two, get best tax benefits. Number three, build wealth while staying focused on your practice and your family. Too many dentists delay action. They say, I'll start once I buy a rental, or I'm not quite ready yet. But here's the thing. You'll never feel fully ready. The key is to surround yourself with the right people, the right mentors, and start small. Learn, gain knowledge, ask questions, then take action. What if 5 years from now, you could have $10,000 to $15,000 a month in passive income, multiple tax sheltered investments, and you're working 2 fewer days in the chair each week? If even one of this was true, would it be worth learning this strategy today? All right, guys, in the next video, we're gonna talk about what is a real estate syndication and why it beats owning rentals. If these ideas resonated with you, don't let them fade. Start moving, start reallocating. And if you want help, from someone who's done it and a network of other successful high-level dentists that's doing it together, I urge you and invite you to apply to join our Walk of Wealth Mastermind. Early access to deals, expert-led education, and a community committed to building wealth and freedom. Do you think your future self would thank you for it? Link is below. The choice is yours. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because ladies and gentlemen, we are just getting started.